Raw peanuts arrive at the factory, signaling the start of a meticulous transformation. Thousands of peanuts are carefully unloaded into massive hoppers for initial processing. Towering silos store the raw peanuts, awaiting their journey through the production line. A steady stream of shelled peanuts begins its path on the cleaning conveyors. Vibrating screens expertly sift away debris, ensuring only the purest nuts proceed. Powerful air currents meticulously separate any remaining light impurities from the peanuts. Massive industrial roasters are prepared, ready to impart their signature flavor. Inside the roaster, peanuts tumble and brown, developing their characteristic aroma and taste. Roasted peanuts cascade onto cooling belts, halting the cooking process at its peak. Industrial fans rapidly cool the freshly roasted nuts, preserving their perfect crunch. Blanching machines gently remove the thin, papery skins, revealing the clean peanut halves. A strong vacuum system efficiently whisks away the discarded peanut skins. High-tech optical sorters meticulously inspect each peanut, rejecting any imperfections. Human hands provide a final, careful inspection, ensuring only premium peanuts are selected. Clean, roasted peanuts funnel into the primary grinders, ready for their first transformation. Massive grinders churn the peanuts into a coarse, textured paste, rich with natural oils. The first grind yields a thick, aromatic peanut paste, full of rustic character. Essential ingredients like salt, sugar, and stabilizers are precisely added to the paste in large vats. Multiple hoppers feed a carefully measured blend of ingredients into the mixing process. The coarse paste undergoes a second, finer grind, creating a smoother, more refined texture. The refining process culminates in a gloriously smooth, creamy peanut butter. Homogenizers ensure the peanut butter achieves a perfectly consistent, velvety texture. Aeration chambers remove any trapped air, enhancing the butter's smoothness and shelf life. Advanced control panels monitor and maintain the precise temperature of the peanut butter throughout production. Gleaming stainless steel pipes transport the perfectly prepared peanut butter to the filling stations. Quality control technicians meticulously sample the peanut butter, ensuring every batch meets rigorous standards. Under the microscope, the peanut butter reveals its perfectly emulsified structure of oil and solids. Viscosity tests confirm the peanut butter's ideal flow and consistency. Robotic arms precisely position empty glass jars onto the conveyor, preparing them for their contents. Multiple nozzles synchronously fill rows of jars with warm, creamy peanut butter. A continuous flow of golden brown peanut butter gracefully fills each clear glass jar. Capping machines swiftly and securely seal each filled jar with its protective lid. Induction sealing applies a final, airtight foil barrier, locking in freshness and flavor. Labeling machines efficiently affix branded labels to each jar, preparing them for market. Hundreds of perfectly labeled jars move in unison, a testament to efficient production. Automated scales meticulously check each jar, guaranteeing accurate product weight. Robotic packers carefully place multiple jars into cardboard cases, ready for shipping. Stacks of sealed cardboard cases move along conveyors, consolidating the finished product. Automated palletizers efficiently stack cases onto pallets, preparing for storage and distribution. In the vast warehouse, countless pallets of finished peanut butter await their journey to consumers worldwide.